Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. You know, sometimes on these Wayback Wednesdays, I get very nostalgic because I was watching this one and I realized just how much fun we used to have when Connor or Hannah would come on the scene. And this one is just plain old silly fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Wayback Wednesday, Bubble Snakes.
Hi, I'm Sophie, and this is Connor, and welcome to my world.
I think I might be out of a job.
Replaced.
So today, you guys, we are going to be making bubble snakes. Ever made a bubble snake before?
No, but that sounds amazing.
It's totally cool. So what we're going to need to make our bubble snake is we're going to need some
Bubble soap.
Exactly. You can make your own with a little bit of dish soap and water, but I've got some right here, so we're going to be using some prefabbed bubble liquid. We're going to need a little container to put our bubble liquid in. Would you like to do that? Just pour that in there. If you can get the cap open. There you go. And you're just going to put that in. We're also going to need a pair of scissors, some rubber bands, an old washcloth, and some water bottles. Now, the other thing that we are going to need is we are going to need an X-Acto knife. But the only thing with an X-Acto knife is you always have to have adult supervision because it's very sharp and can cut you. So remember, be very, very careful. So what we're going to do, Connor, is we're going to take our water bottle.
Okay.
And we're just going to, at one of these knobs, whichever we want, one of these little ridges here, we're going to just put our X-Acto knife in. And we're going to basically just saw around the water bottle.
For every bottle?
Well, we're each going to want one, so we would want to have two here.
Okay.
But in this case...
Do you want me to do one?
Yeah, just be very careful with that, okay? So yeah, your first joint or second joint, whichever one you want. Now while he's doing that, carefully, I'm going to take this washcloth and I'm going to actually cut it into 4 pieces. So I'm just going to cut it down the middle. And cut those pieces in the middle again, so that we end up with 4 pieces of washcloth. How's it going over there? You can use the scissors if you need them.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. Perfect. So why don't you put that knife over there, that X-Acto knife, just so it's out of the way. Great. And I'm cutting these, and I've cut this into 4 pieces. Now what you're going to do, Connor, is you're going to take one piece of this. I'm going to take one piece of this. We're going to put those off to the side. We're each going to take a rubber band. We're going to take the washcloth and we're going to place it on the bottom part of the water bottle. And then we're going to just take the rubber band and rubber band it around. And it doesn't need to wrap around, it just needs to stay on there. So just one time on should be fine. You get it? Is that too short?
It might be.
Oh, here we go. Just move that over
there.
there.
We go.
There you go. Excellent.
So make sure it's not one of your nice washcloths.
Yeah, you do want to make sure that you get permission to use your washcloth. Now, if you don't have permission to use your washcloth, you don't have to cut it. You can just use the big washcloth, and then when you're all done. Yeah, it'll be a lot hanging off, but that's okay. Then if you're going to do that, what I would do is I would give much more on my water
so you
bottle.
Rubber band it around.
Exactly. I'd cut it lower. Exactly. Okay, now you ready for this? Here's where the snake part comes in. So you take this end with the washcloth and you soak it really, really good, just like that. Ready? Now, one important thing. When you do this, don't suck in, blow out. So ready? Ready to see what happens? So it can become a bubble snake, or if you want it to be, a bubble beard.
This is
Freaky,
amazing.
isn't
This
it?
is really cool.
Isn't it totally cool?
And then can you like pick them up? No, they just pop.
Well, you can cut it. Well, you can. Here, look. Your Uncle Sam. For more bubbly ideas, come and check us out at Sophie-World.com.